Hello everyone, in this video I will solve this problem. Here you can see issue with SD card. How can you solve it? So if you just tap over it, here is showing to format it, but you don't want to format your SD card. So that's why if you just open your file manager, here you can see here is not showing your SD card. This is the big problem. So right now you just need to open your phone settings. So then go to search option and type storage. So you can select any option from here. You just need to go or locate a storage option. So here you can see. So right now you just need to select, here you can see mount a storage. So you need to here you can see, if you just tap over it, unmounted SD card successfully. Right now you just need to check your file manager, your SD card is showing or not. Here you can see my SD card is still not showing, so that's why I just again go on storage and select storage refresh. So I just tap over it and select this option, and you just need to wait. So right now here you can see it's done. So select done, and right now again check your file manager. Here you can see it's still not showing your SD card. So right now again go on this option and select deep clean or free up 1.2 GB. So you just need to select it, and right now you just need to wait to scan it. So after that select clean up to 0.26 GB. So you just need to wait to complete it. So after complete, again open your file manager, and here you can see it's still not showing your SD card. So right now I just need to take a final action. So just go on issue with SD card and select format and select format again. So right now you just need to wait to complete formatting. So right now you can see my SD card is ready. Here is showing, just select done, and right now check my file manager, and right now here you can see SD card showing successfully right now. So right now you can open and you can check it and you can use your SD card. So in this way you can solve this problem. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.